Hey guys, it's Danny. Welcome back to my channel. For today's Happy Mail Ideas video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I am packaging up these gemstone stickers that I got from the Dollar Tree to share in Happy Mail. So let's go ahead and get started. Zoomed you guys in a little bit, and today we're going to be using glassine bags. I use these all the time. You guys have seen me use these a lot, so we're just going to use these again. And then we are also going to be using some cupcake liners. So I was going through my stash of things this month. I saw these and I was like, let me see if I can use some of those. So all I'm going to do is cut this sheet down, and I figured I can fit about 6 like strips wide of the jemmies in one of these bags. So I'm going to see, how do I want to do this? And then I think 9 is like how high I want to go. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I'm going to cut right along here. And then across by 6. I'm going to cut off some of this extra plastic because I don't really need that. All right, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This will leave me with a little bit left over, if that's okay, because this is 6 across 2, so I can get several more out of this sheet. So I can get a couple more at least. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I got 5 little gemmy thingies here, which is great. So I'm going to go ahead and just slide one in here. Fits really nice, which we like. And I'm going to fold over the glassine bag, making sure to leave a little bit of room right here. So for the first little packaging technique, I'm going to take a cupcake liner and fold it in half. Slide it over the top like so. And then I have my stapler, and I'm just going to staple that in place and then trim off the extra. Like that. And then to keep this super simple and quick and easy, I'm just going to pop a cute little sticker right over that staple. So you can see how quickly that came together, and I'm gonna make a whole bunch of these for my stash. But before I get to that, let me go ahead and show you guys the other kind of alternative to this. It is very similar, but slightly different. So it just goes to show that you can use whatever you have on hand. If you don't have the same exact things as I do, you can tweak it to fit what you do have. So again, just slid them in there, left a little bit of room. I think for this one, we will use a yellow cupcake liner. So again, fold it in half. Slide it on over. And then I'm going to take a small hole punch. This one is 1/8 of an inch. I'm just going to punch holes and then take a brad and use that to secure it closed. This works great if you don't have a stapler handy, and your pen pal can reuse the brad if they want, which I think is always fun. And this is a great way to use up some of your brads if you struggle to use them like I do. This would also be really great if you have some decorative brads or ones that are different shapes. But that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this fun little twist on packaging up your Happy Mail. I hope you give it a try. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe if you're not already. If you want to see more kind of ideas on how to create your own Happy Mail goodies and how to package them, I will have a playlist linked down below for you guys. That is it for today. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!